Have you ever felt broken? Like something in your life just couldn't be repaired? In Japan, there's an ancient art called Kintsugi that holds a powerful lesson. When pottery breaks, it's mended not to hide the damage, but to embrace and beautify it. Instead of glue that conceals, artisans use lacquer mixed with gold to fill the cracks, turning every scar into a unique, beautiful line. Kintsugi literally means golden joinery, and every repaired piece tells a story, not of flawless perfection, but of survival and transformation. The object isn't thrown away, it's honored, with its imperfections highlighted and celebrated. Remarkably, a bowl mended with Kintsugi isn't just functional again, it's valued even more than before. Its golden veins make it stronger, more resilient, and a symbol of authenticity. What if we treated ourselves the same way? When life breaks us through mistakes, loss, or heartbreak, our scars are proof of healing, not weakness. Instead of hiding the cracks in our confidence, our relationships, or our spirit, Kintsugi invites us to fill them with gold. Lessons learned, compassion earned, wisdom gained. In a world obsessed with perfection and surface beauty, Kintsugi flips the story. It says our broken places are valuable. They shape who we are and remind us that resilience and grace can come from adversity, not avoidance. So next time you're tempted to hide your scars, think of Kintsugi. Let your golden seams show. Remember, you're not less for what you've endured. You're more beautiful, more authentic, and stronger because of it. Your scars are not the end of your story. Kintsugi teaches us they're the beginning of something extraordinary.